A frequently asked question is, what is my personal injury case worth? Well, that's a difficult question to answer. In Florida, there are elements of damages under the jury instructions that are a guide to determine what the value of a personal injury case is. For example, you may have had past medical expenses, an emergency room, an ambulance, going to an orthopedic doctor, getting x-rays. There also may be future medical expenses. That means a doctor might anticipate or put in his report that in the future you might need to come back a certain number of times a year, you might need future diagnostic tests, that after a certain number of years you might have to have a procedure redone. Those are called future medical expenses. There are also damages you're entitled to recover for past wage loss. Up until the time of trial, if you've had to miss time from work as a result of your injury, you'd be entitled to recover that. And a doctor might also have an opinion that in the future you might not be able to work the same that you were before the accident. Whether that means you might not be able to work as many hours in a day as you used to, or whether that means that during your lifetime you may not last as many years and you may have to end up retiring sooner. Either way, those would be considered lost future earning capacity claims. And then finally, there are non-economic damages for pain and suffering, both in the past and in the future. There is no number for that, and it's up to an individual jury to determine what they think is fair under the circumstances. All of these things combined determine what the damages are in your case.